to another video. And this is a Street Mania event. So it's a timed event. Usually I do events that's not timed. I kind of just rely on the draggy, so it's nice to have a timed event to compare my times with. This is actually, it's been a year since I've been racing this car with the 1.8 in it, and I haven't really improved much over time. I'll link up my first event on the top here. Go check that out. But anyway, this should be a good one. I'm amped. Hopefully the car does what it needs to do. I need to give you guys an update on my Mr. Turbo situation. So I had a chat with Ivan, and they are going to replace the core for me, which is amazing. Like I was saying, I don't really want the turbo back, but my dad's car needs a turbo. So that's kind of the plan right now, is to run the Mr. Turbo 3076.63 housing on his 2-liter FSI head setup, and it should be really good. Like if the turbo works as it should, it's going to be a really good setup for him. I think he's going to enjoy it a lot. So yeah, I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that I just got like a really bad turbo and the replacement core is going to be perfect. Yeah, so let's get into this video. It's going to be a hot day, and I need to wear long sleeve top and pants. My word. So I am doing what I shouldn't be doing. I will not say this publicly, but it's gonna make the car louder. Okay, this is my first run. Lost my pedal again and my phone. So that was a 14.27. Not too bad. Car felt a bit like really laggy into third there. So this is the setup. Liam's got a whole gazebo going on here, and I'm all for it because it is really hot today. Mk2 is doing okay. Really hopeful for some good times today. Brian's turning down tire pressure. So these things have a really intense sidewall. You guys can see that. It's got quite a hard sidewall, even though he's on like 0.7 bar. Doesn't look super deflated. Logging off the line, not cool, or RPM needed, which is good. that was the same, 1429. Okay, so my rev limiter, I've increased it a little bit and it wasn't saving. I don't know why I don't know, that happens. It's really frustrating, but I'm hoping that it's higher now, and I think I need to launch at like 5k because I was bogging there. So hopefully I get a decent run now. So one of the cars threw oil down, so we are kinda just chilling and waiting it out. Yeah, doesn't look like a bad oil leak because you were still able to like drive the car back, but now we have to wait. I am so shocked. I want to show you guys, like, this is the amount of cars lined up. Yeah, this is crazy. So this is what happens when you have like a street to strip event in the fast. It's like, wow. Okay, I'm racing a EK. Okay. Out. That was a 1381. Felt a bit better, but it still didn't seem like I was getting all the RPM there. Racing a S3. On high boost, I forgot to switch it. Way too much wheel spin. Way too much. Let's see, Liam's got a bit of problem. So that was a 14.0. Okay, so leaving on high boost is a bad idea. So low boost does help, but my RPM issue is still an issue. So I'm waiting for Andrew. I really hope he comes through, because all I need to do is just save it. It just doesn't want to save the updated RPM state. Okay, I'm racing a Polo TDI. Racing that guy. Should be a good run. low boost. $13.67. Okay, that was better. So I'll be racing Warren. We've had a run before and flip, it was so close. This car is very strong. That was a burnout. Lots of limiter, maybe even clutch slip. I lost my pedal again. Okay, so Warren had a miss shift on that run. That was a 13.50. I actually think that's my personal best at Killarney. So previously my best was a 13.51. How crazy is that? So that was just about, but I think my clutch was slipping a bit there, and I need to set this thing 2 kilometers. Okay, cool. That was better. My 1-2 was a bit weird there. Snapped second and there was just like, wasn't really power, which was quite strange. Okay, so we are just letting the cars cool down. We're gonna have another run. The Mk2 is smelling like clutch. Top of fourth, I could feel the clutch was not happy there. Yeah, because obviously as the RPM is climbing, it's just making more power on top. So yeah, clutch is not happy. Plus it's like big burnout, and then sending it on the launch. Yeah, crazy. The good stuff. So this guy in this Honda, I raced him with a Mini and he beat me with the Mini, and I was like, I have to race this guy when I'm in the Mk2, because I don't think I was recording that. I wasn't recording my rear. I can't even show you the gap cam because I wasn't recording, but I gave him a good gap on that run. And yeah, you know, I don't know if you guys have had that experience where you get beaten by someone and you're like, yo, you're lucky I'm not in my faster car. And he's on a full slick. So I feel even better about myself. That was a Draggy says 13.35, but I felt my clutch not so happy on that. I was just so amped to race him, I didn't even put that on. Yeah, that was a lovely run. So the guys just told me that I ran a 13.1 on that last run. I am so pumped Guys, if I get into the 12s today, I'll be over the moon. Liam's gonna put some ice on the intake, just get some cooling. But this is the Honda I just raced. Yeah, but I don't have the gap cam for him, which is a bit of a pity. That's what I wanted. So I'm racing this K20 Civic again. We had a super close run. He actually took that run. So hopefully I can redeem myself today. Car seems to be running better. My clutch is not too happy, but the car should be better. And I didn't hold any RPM. What an epic fail. Oh, that was horrible. I don't know why it took so long to actually react. That was not ideal. I'm racing the Corolla. No idea what's in it. I think it's quite quick. Okay, there's water on the track. Thought it was me. I don't know why that was so much spinning, and no draggy data for that run. I don't expect much from that. I'll let you guys know on the screen what that was. Andrew's just checking over the logs to see what's happening with the car. It seems to be running okay. That last run was a 13.6 mi. Draggy just suddenly started working, but it gave me 2 errors. I'm using an Android phone now, so I'm not used to getting these errors and things, but other than that, sounds good. So my gap cam is struggling with the heat today, so I just wrapped it in a cloth. I don't think I have anyone that I'm racing. There's like no one next to me. Didn't really hook up that nicely. Didn't feel fast. .3 flat. Come on. So this will be my last run against the Civic. Yeah, I don't know, that last run my 60 foot was beautiful, but I couldn't quite get it to work out for me. That could have been 13.0 or 12 on that run.
When you turn the wheel after you're doing, when you wind out and start turning, then this side stops spinning.
Okay, so just keep it straight.
Just keep it straight, yeah. It was in second though, which is so weird. I had to actually take it out of second and put it back in. Oh, what a bummer. Yeah, so losing to the Civic twice. Now he's gonna hit me up in the comments and be like, I took your duck twice. No, man. No. So this is what I don't look forward to with like a full race car, where you have to run A-frame and all of that. I am not really about that life. I like being able to drive to and from the track. The Mark II is just being solid. Clutch is not so happy, but solid. See you, bro. Nice two-car solution there. So this side is usually fine, but this side gets really dirty, like really dirty. Some guys have like this dirt on their bloody front windscreens, which is quite interesting. But I am pumped. The car did well today. So I'll tease you guys with this. Cooling coming soon. I am quite excited about that. My intake temps are seriously high, like closer to 60 degrees, so I need that, but I need a clutch more than anything else. So I might just do it just for the cooling. even though I can't turn up the power, that'll be just for cooling purposes. I am on my way home. It's been a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really chuffed. Things came together. And so the exhaust setup at the moment is, it's still just downpipe with the 63mm reducer, so it's still not hitting crazy amounts of boost. I think it hits like 1.7 bar. I asked Andrew to give me a little more duty cycle, and I could really feel the clutch saying nope, not happy with that. But yeah, I think even with this turbo, it's not doing too badly. I raised the RPM a touch. Don't want to say what it is because I'm apparently only supposed to rev this thing to 7,000, but I'm revving it a little above that. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I need to do some head mods to rev it safely up there. But that's, for now, what the RPM is, what the launch RPM is, kind of works. I just need to get the clutch sorted and the car should be good. Now that I've got cooling mods coming as well, because the cooler is just not efficient enough. It's going to start to come together. I'm excited to get the car into the 12s. I'm getting close, which is great. My previous best at Killarney was a 13.54, so I have improved. The draggy, however, was only showing a 13.3, but according to my sources looking at Killarney's board, it's a 13.19, I think, 13.1 something. I don't know what speed, probably 187 or something like that. But yeah, chuffed. Sorry for the drone, I have to get the car up to speed. Yeah, so that's drone removal 101. I'm still gonna do an exhaust. I am tempted to just run just out the downpipe, but I want to do the exhaust, keep it quiet, and if I do want to go crazy, I can just detach the exhaust, you know, but not that I'd need it. As long as I'm hitting the boost, I'll be happy with that. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.